Hello everyone, are you ready to embark on a new journey of car crashes filled with adventure, excitement, and surprises? Buckle up for an adventure where every intersection holds the potential for a jaw-dropping surprise. We don't have much time, so let's get it on.
Опа!
Тормози! Не буду полететь сейчас.
Да чё вы орёте?
Тормози, он сейчас еще на нас поедет. Пожалуйста, ты чё к нему приближаешь?
Snow and rain making slippery roads that is the main cause of this collision. Glad both drivers were safe. The truck lost control, causing many new cars to fall onto the highway.
Also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be connecting to the emergency call center.
He is probably going 110 miles per hour in the video, and that guy has no time to react. The yellow light reminds you to prepare to stop, not to try to pass and cause an accident. Instead of paying attention to the road, what was the trucker doing? The consequences are too severe. Seems the bus driver's brake light was not working. So terrible. What? U-turn without due care, without signal. That's gonna be a hard life lesson for him. Driving in the rain is really dangerous. Please be careful. There's no need to run across the road, you have to watch, wait, and cross on foot.
Урод. Вот и мы и записали. Вот это выкладывай, да, уже? Вот, смотри, перевернул дела, блядь. Ну, охуело кому-то.
Do not change lanes this way. Car would have been a pancake. Never forget the handbrake, man. It occurred on northbound 195 in Stafford County, Virginia. Everyone is okay.
Anybody behind us?
Oh, wow.
O kurwa, wypadek. Dobra, kończę.
Like a clown on the street, he did not foresee the consequences of a collision due to his inexperienced driving. The vehicle was so overloaded that it could not move, stopped, and fell to one side.
Yes, because you know how it goes, like, it's 500 meters.
Why doesn't he turn that off?
And he's like,
Whoa.
oh.
Slow down, please. Always pay attention on the road, especially when encountering large and long trucks. Glad the motorcycle was not injured. To prevent this, ensure all lug nuts are tightened to manufacturer specifications. The hazard lights are to warn of a hazard, and legal usage does vary state to state. Oh dear, just be careful out there on the road. Don't forget to give us a like button and share your road encounters in the comments. And don't miss the video on the right side of the screen. See you soon.